Bine ați venit în Brașov!
Hooray, now we are for the classical Transylvanian tour. So follow along as we speed up through the Transylvanian highway. Gotta get some breakfast first. It's 6 in the morning, so everything is still dark here. So now we're in the middle of nowhere. We're in a small city. Very scenic view with the treetops everywhere. It's very beautiful. We're close to Peles Castle. You know, we're on the normal tour around Transylvania. So might have to get a cup of coffee. I don't know. So we're now entering the Peles Castle. It's behind these trees. It looks very nice. I don't know what to look forward to, but I think it's gonna be, yeah, an exciting history at least. So let's check it out. So now we're at the Peles Castle. A little bit sad because we cannot film inside right now, but anyway, it's enormous, really. Wow. An amazing history, because now I see that more and more history are connected with Romanian and Italian history, so that is pretty interesting. The king and the queen, they imported a lot of stuff from Italy. Very, very, very beautiful building, very beautiful interior. You should really check it out. See, with these buildings, it's more and more rustic. I finally get it. You know, the rich people back then, they spend their money on this kind of stuff and not a stupid Ferrari or a Porsche. It makes sense now. Here there is a very, very nice, beautiful statue of King Carol I. One of the most exciting things about this place is that each room has a different theme. So you also had Renaissance stuff dating back from Italy, Naples and Firenze, and you had what's called Neo-Gothic, also Gothic. You had all these different themes, and it's just so amazing. Take a look. And the architecture behind this. Wow, you must come here. Peles Castle. We're heading for Bran Castle and Brasov now. It's gonna be very exciting. Salute! We are now in Bran, close to Brasov, because we are visiting the castle of Bran, which is not that impressive at all, but anyway, we have to show you the place. I don't know if we can go inside. Outside you can see there's so much tourist stuff. It's crazy. The Bran Castle. We're in the middle of Romania, in the middle of Transylvania. Wow, the view is even better. So far so good. Romania has been very nice in a different way than usual. We are experiencing a more rural and urban type country, even though we are in the middle of Transylvania, but also in Bucharest. It is really something different. I can really say that you should go and see Peles Castle first. That's the most important, not Bran. But anyway, we are just waiting to get going. So we are now at the Bran Castle. I don't condone this kind of thing because look up. The architecture is pretty nice and all that stuff. It has been renovated a few times, but inside it's nothing to really. It's so festive. They have put pumpkins everywhere. It's not my type. So anyway, let's get to see Brasov. D Cinemas. We are now in Brasov, and to be honest with you, I didn't expect such a nice city. It is full-on German, and it really shocked me because it's so nice. The only thing that's missing is tramways. But anyway, I am so certain that I'm gonna get back here because I do not have the time actually on this trip to make a full video or many videos about this place, but we're certainly gonna go back here very soon. So in Brasov there's about 300,000 inhabitants, maybe more, maybe less, but around that number. They have a slightly different cultural point of view than Bucharest, because you know, Transylvania, the Siebenburgenland, yeah, there's much to it. Anyway, let's discover Brasov in its purest form. In the summertime, if you want to get cooled down, you can go by the fountain. This city reminds me a bit of Szeged in Hungary and Kecskemét, just by a much larger margin. In all the colors, you can definitely see that the Germans have been here for a long time. So just walking down these streets, you definitely see that, wow, having the mountain there is crazy. But walking down these streets, you definitely feel another atmosphere as you would do in Bucharest. Wow, this is actually just amazing. I could spend a month here, maybe more. But anyway, you see that different signs, they are in German also, and that's pretty funny. To be honest with you, I'm completely blown away. This whole city changed my definition of Romania by far, from going to a more cheaper country and now being like a part of Germany. It's so strange. And we got free Fanta. So once again we are in the front of the holy Romulus or Remus. Remus. To be honest with you, this city is just amazing. Wow, been here for like an hour and I totally love it. And you can definitely see that the buildings here are in a much better quality than in Bucharest. Thanks for watching. This was the end of our 5-day trip here in Romania. We had some very nice experiences here, some very interesting and strange experiences. and I think you should go in and check out all our videos because they are now on YouTube. Bucharest is a nice town, a nice capital, but Brasov is a much better. I think one of the main things that people told us was that be careful because people are very poor and they might do whatever it takes. This has really proved the opposite because people are very respectful. We even got free sodas. So definitely a very nice experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like our YouTube channel if you like more content of this kind of thing.